Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. In this video, we are going to see about the Unit 3 in Assessment for Learning. So, Unit 3 topic is Tools and Techniques in Assessment. Tools and Techniques in Assessment. As we all know that what is tool and what is technique. So, commonly we used to say that tool is a instrument and technique is the procedure or practices what we are giving. So in assessment, tool is nothing but what the test is also one of the tool to assess the children. Technique, what we are giving the practices or what are the steps we are using depend upon the tool which we are going to use. For example, test means there are many types of tests are available. Written, oral, achievement test, so diagnostic test, prognostic test, so many tests are available. So that from that tool we can assess the children also. So one of the tool which we are going to see here is observation. So observation means we are measuring without any instrument. So observation technique, you are not using any measurement. So it can be also asked in your 1 mark questions. So it can also ask in your 5 mark question also. So observation is you are observing the children. So there are 4 different types of observation. 4 different types of observation. First one is participant. Second one is non-participant. Third one is control and fourth one is uncontrolled. So participant observation is nothing but as the teacher is involving that particular group. So what may be the result of the children. So in that particular way also you can assess the children. That is, we are informing them and we are participating one among the group and we are assessing the children. That time they will make the children may also do that particular task very well. The non-participant, we are not involving and we are not also informing that what we are going to do that particular task. So that is called as non-participant because we are not participating and we are observing. Example also commonly we can use to say that in a PT period how the children are playing. So if you say I too play among with you, so then immediately there we can change the mode of the children also, isn't it? So next one is controlled. Controlled group means we are informing them and what the subject and what are the topic we are going to do that. Then from that we are observing. So we can use to give an example as pre-test and post-test for the PhD scholars are doing. So pre-test without informing that they are checking their knowledge, how the children. We used to say that it is a diagnostic test. We know the strength and weakness of the children. So in a controlled group, we have taught the lesson previously and we ask them how we are going to, what we are going to measure. For example, if you want to check their arithmetic or aptitude level of the children, so we have taught that particular content and we are observing, we are assessing that particular content also. That is called as controlled group. Uncontrolled means that particular class we are not any informing that one and we are assessing how they are learning progress and all. That is called as uncontrolled observation. So there is a difference between the controlled. Controlled means that is formally we are assessing that children. So we have taken the question formally based on the principles and we are assessing the children. Uncontrolled group, formally we are not conducting and we are not informing them. So in observation we can have some advantages also and disadvantages also. Advantages in the sense because physically we are observing. Physically we are observing, that is orally we are observing, we are not having any instrument. So that observation is also having that one. Disadvantages not have the accurate assessment. So observation is also one of the assessment technique. 4 types, that is participant,